In this video, we shall be learning how to plot the graphs of linear equations in two variables. But before that, we know that 2 points determine a unique line. So, it is enough to plot 2 points of any equation. But we shall take 3. Suppose we have an equation x plus y equal to 4. Now, in order to plot the graph of this equation, we need to find at least 3 solutions. So, we write this equation as x in terms of y. So, y we shall be taking that side. So, you get x is equal to 4 minus y. And now, we shall just draw a table where we shall be writing the values. Now, here x is equal to 4 minus y. So here we shall write the value of x, which is 4 minus y, and here we will have to assume the value of y. So suppose we take y as 1. Then the value of x will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Next, suppose we take the y value as 2. Then the value of x will be 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now suppose we take y as minus 1. Then it will be 4 minus minus 1. And that minus minus will become plus 1. So you get 4 plus 1 as 5. So these are the points which we should plot on the graph. But we shall do more equations. Suppose we have another equation which is x minus y equal to 2. Now here again we'll write this equation as x in terms of y, so y will be taken there, so you will get it as x equal to 2 plus y. Minus y comes here, becomes plus y. Again draw a table to get the values. So here we have y's value we have to assume, and this will be x is equal to 2 plus y. So here if we take y as 1, we get x value as 2 plus 1, 3. If we take y as 3 suppose, here, then the value of x will be 2 plus 3, 5. And suppose we take y as 0, then the value of x will be 2. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have y is equal to 3x. Now in this case you don't need any change because already y is given in terms of x. So here we will have to assume x and find the value of y for that. So here we will write x and here we will be writing y equal to 3x. So if we take x as 1, we will get y as 3 ones are 3. If we take x as 2, then we get y as 3 twos are 6. And suppose we take y as minus 2, then we get y as 3 multiplied by minus 2, which is minus 6. Now these points we shall be plotting on the same graph. But what you should remember is, after plotting the points of one equation, you should first join them by line. This is what you must remember when you are drawing many equations on one graph only. After drawing first points, you should join them. So let's start doing. We have x as 3 and y as 1. So we have x here 3 and y 1. So we get this point here 3 and 1. Next we have both values 2. So this is 2, this is 2. We get a point here, 2 each. And then we have x5 and y minus 1 here. Now we should just join this by a scale. Join these 3 points by using a scale. And remember, you can just elongate it a bit, and since it is a line, you must draw arrows on both the sides. And what does this line say? That every point lying on this line, for example 0, 4, this one here, for example 1/2 and 3, these all points lie on this line, and every point lying on this line satisfies the equation x plus y equal to 4. Another thing is, once you draw the line, that equation should be written. So here we will write x plus y equal to 4, which says that this line is representing equation x plus y equal to 4. Let's represent the second one. We have 3 and 1, which is again the same point. So this point is same for us. Then we have x5 and y3. x5 is here, y3 is here. Let me use a scale so that I don't go wrong. So x is 3, y5 straight here. Then we have 0 and 2. X is 2 and y0 is here. So this point. So now these 3 points should be joined using a scale. So this is the graph of the second equation, x minus y equal to 2. So you see, after plotting each equation's points, we have to first join them. Otherwise you get confused. Now the next one is y equal to 3x. Here, let's start with the first one. X is 1 and y is 3. So x1 is here, y3 is here. So you get a point over here. Then next is 2 and 6. X is 2 and y is 6. Let me draw this so that there's no mistake. Here. And next is minus 2 and minus 6. This is minus 2. We keep here minus 6. Straight here. Now, let's join these points. So, this line represents the equation y equal to 3x. So I hope the things are clear to you. Thank you.